Good morning, students. Today we are starting with comprehension practice. The questions have already been given you. You can see the questions on your screens and listen to the audio and take the correct answers. Reading comprehension means RC is the most peculiar section in almost all scholastic, entrance and employment tests. The skill in RC make a lot of difference to one's chances of good grades and selection. Most students find it difficult to tackle topics that are diverse from the field they are in or they are comfortable with. So, one needs to develop a taste for even the most obscure and boring topic on this planet. The success in RC, one should be able, for success in RC, one should be able to understand. And even with an average speed, one can succeed if one implements the strategies. Broadly speaking, RC passages can be classified into a few categories. Fact-based RC is the simplest form of RC. These types of passages have a lot of information in the form of names, numbers, etc. In this type of passage, one should read very fast. Don't try to memorize any facts, numbers or names, etc. In fact, there is no need to even remember them. Just make yourself familiar with the structure of the passage. Just see in which paragraph the author is talking about what. Mark it. Then, when you go to the questions, identify in which paragraph information regarding that question is mentioned. Go to that paragraph, read the numbers, names, etc. and mark the answer. Inference-based RC is the toughest form of RC. Here the passage is fairly tough to understand. This includes passages on topics like religion, spirituality, philosophy, etc. Most of the students will be comfortable attempting these passages, at least in RC. The reading speed is fairly slow in this type of passages. The way to master this type of passages is to read them again and again while practicing. Topic-based RC includes passages on any peculiar topic like economics, astrology, medical science, etc. Generally, what makes these passages tough is usage of technical terms. If a topic is new to us, then presence of a technical term scares us even if it is defined in the passage. For success in this type of passages, we need to have a fair understanding of the definition of the term. If it is defined in the passage, read that definition twice if you need to. But don't worry about technical terms if they are not defined in the passage. Assume them to be non-existent and proceed. Key principle in this passage is that don't go to the next line unless the previous line is clear to you. Reading passage first and then question is the most popular strategy for RC. While answering the question, you may come back to the passage to find answers as you have just read the passage initially and not crammed it. But you shouldn't come back for each and every question. If you come back for majority of questions, then you haven't read the passage properly. The key to success for this strategy is that you should understand the passage very well. We'll suggest students to follow this technique from the beginning and work upon this. Reading questions first and then passage is the strategy followed by a few students. They just look at the questions and not options. The objective is that after seeing the questions, when you read the passage, then you read only that part carefully where the answer is given. The flaw with this is that you will not be able to remember all the questions. Besides this strategy fails when there are questions that require understanding of the passage. Thank you, students. I hope you might have found it. You can listen to this audio twice or thrice and find the answers to the questions given.